Hi, I'm Andrea, head gardener of Lowther Castle and Gardens in Cumbria, northern England, and today I really want to talk to you about Aralia cordata. If you want drama in your garden, this is the plant. A wonderful foliage plant that can reach up to 2 to 3 meters. It is native to Japan, Korea and eastern China. It is also known in Japan as the mountain asparagus because one goes out there in the spring to harvest the young shoots, which then are blanched and then eaten as a vegetable. Now the flower structure will really remind you of ivy flowers. Yes, it is in the ivy family, Araliaceae. So there will be these wonderful white crisp stars in July to August, also loved by the bees. But I do really love it at this stage of the year when it turns into the seed heads and then it has this lovely purple pearls all strapped around it. Makes also wonderful Christmas decoration if you pick it early. Now, it is definitely full of energy. So if you have the space, then choose it for one of your woodland areas, for your more informal areas of the garden. It really likes moist, retentive soils, humus-rich. So really think about woodland floor, woodland structure for its habitat. And the nice thing about it is also it is deer and rabbit resistant. They don't like it. And in terms of propagating of it, you will have it forever because it's very easy to split and you can spread it around in your shady areas of your garden. You can try it on a sunny border. I have had it in central London in the back of a formal border in full sun, and if you watch the water you can get it to grow there as well. Right, that is Aralia cordata.